In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in Outlook. Whether you're new to Outlook or just looking to make sure you never miss another email or calendar reminder, I'll guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your notification settings configured exactly as you need them. Let's get started by logging into your Outlook account. First, you'll want to navigate to the Outlook login page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for the Microsoft Outlook login. You can easily find this by searching for Outlook login in your search engine if you're not sure of the link. Once you're at the login page, the first thing you'll notice is the sign in button right in front. Go ahead and click on it to start the process of entering your credentials. Now it's time to enter your email address. If you have multiple email accounts like work, personal or other, make sure you're entering the one that you intend to use for Outlook and where you want to receive notifications. After entering your email, you'll see a Next button, prominently displayed. Make sure to click on it and proceed onwards. You've entered your email successfully and now it's time for your password. This is where you need to ensure that your caps lock is turned off and that you're entering the password exactly as you remember it. If your password manager autofills this for you, double check it looks correct. With that done, you'll see the sign in button again. Click it to move forward. As a security step, Outlook may ask if you want to stay signed in. This can be convenient if you're using a personal device, but if you're on a public or shared computer, you might want to opt out. If you decide to stay signed in, just click yes when prompted. Otherwise choose no and Outlook will still log you in. It just won't remember your credentials in future sessions. After logging in, you'll be taken to your inbox where all your emails are stored. To begin setting up notifications, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Clicking on this will open a drop down of quick settings options. From these options, you'll want to select View All Outlook Settings at the very bottom of the drop down menu. This will open a new window with more detailed settings for you to customize. Once you're in the full settings menu, look to the left hand side for the General category. Clicking on it will expand a list of options specific to the general settings of your account, where you'll find quite a few settings to explore. Now from the list under General, click Notifications. This is where you can control how, when and if Outlook will notify you about new emails, reminders, events and more. Depending on what you're looking to do, you have a variety of options at your disposal. As you scroll through, you'll want to pay close attention to the different types of notifications available. There are options to notify you via desktop alerts, sound alerts, and even more specific settings like receiving notifications about emails sent directly to you or those marked as important. One of the options is Notify About Me. This is a useful feature if you want to receive alerts about emails or events that you are directly involved in or are important to you without being overwhelmed by non-essential notifications. To enable this, simply check the appropriate box. Once you've made your selections, take a moment to review the settings to verify that everything looks correct. This is to ensure you've captured exactly which notifications you want. If certain features aren't available, make sure your browser is updated and that you haven't accidentally disabled notifications when your browser prompted you about them. Finally, after you're satisfied and everything is set to your liking, don't forget to hit the Save button at the bottom of the settings window. This will ensure all the changes you've made are recorded and activated. With that, you've successfully enabled notifications in your Outlook account. From this point on, you should start receiving notifications according to the preferences you've set, making it much easier to stay on top of your emails and reminders. Remember, at any point, if you wish to adjust these settings, you can always return and tweak them to your needs. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it helps make your Outlook experience smoother and more efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Enjoy your newly set up notifications in Outlook.